Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you applications of Pascal's triangle. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, to work out the coefficients of 1 over x. So first of all, we need to expand the brackets first. So let me just write this down. So we have 2x squared with minus 3 over x power 4. So to expand this, we use Pascal triangle, but let me just expand this out and ignore the coefficient first, okay? And then we add coefficient later, okay? So now this is, give me 2x squared, and then with power 4, we're starting off with that term, and then we times negative 3 over x power 0. And then we add, we're starting, decrease the index for 2x power 2. And then we start increasing the negative 3 over x. So now that becomes power 3. And then this becomes the minus 3 over x power 1. And then we plus 2x squared power 2, and then negative 3 over x power 2. And then we add 2x squared power 1, negative 3 over x power 3. And then we add 2x squared power 0, negative 3 x power 4. So now what I do, I'm going to deal with coefficient now by using Pascal triangle. So let me just write down the triangle out. So we start with 1, and we start with 1 again, we end with 1. And we start with 1, and these two add together, give me 2. And this is 1, and then we start 1 again, and these two numbers add together, give me 3. So it's 3, and the next two numbers add together, give me 3. And with 1, and we start with 1 again, and 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 plus 3 is 4, and we end with 1. And we stop there because this 4 here is power 4, so we're using this row here. So then these are the coefficients of each term. So the first term is 1, so I can ignore that. Second term is 4, and then the third term is for 6, and then 4 is for the second last term, and 1 is here. I can ignore that, okay? Because 1 times any number equals itself anyway. So now let me just tidy this up. So that give me, so this is 2 power 4 is 16. And then we have 2 times 4 is 8. So x power 8. And now, because it's negative 3 over x power 0 is 1. So we can just ignore that. Then we have 2 power 3 is 8. And 8 times 4 is 32. So we add 32. And then x squared power 3. So x power 6. And then we have the negative 3 over x. So let me just write this out first, okay? Now we have 2 squared, give me 4. And 4 times 6 is 24. So we plus 24x power 4. And negative 3 squared, so give me 9. So 9x squared. Then we add, so we have 2 times 4 is 8. X squared, and this give me negative 27x power 3. And then we add, and 2x squared power 0 give me 1. Then we have negative 3 power 4 is 81. So 81 x power 4. So there you go. So what I do, I just simplify one more step. And for the first term, we have 16x power 8. And we have 32 times negative 3. So it should give me negative 96. So minus, so 96. And then we have x power 6 divided by x. It should give me x power 5. Then we have 24 times 9. So let me just work out by using calculator. So I just go 24 times 9. 216. So plus 216 and x power 4 we divided by x squared should give me x squared. So then we have 8 times negative 27. So I just go 8 times 27. So 216. And should be minus, okay, minus 216 and x squared divided by x power 3. So it should give me x. And then we have plus 81 over x power 4. So now to work out the coefficient of 1 over x, if you think about it, this one here, let me just write this down. So this is exactly the same as minus 216 times 1 over x. So therefore, the coefficients of 1 over x is negative 260. So let me write this down. So therefore, so there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to expand the brackets first. So let me just write this down. So this is x plus 3 over x power 4. So now the first term is x, so become x power 4, and then 3 over x power 0. Then we add, decrease, the power 4 becomes 3, and this term here is increased, become 1. And then we add x squared, and then 3 over x power of 2. Then we add x, and then 3 over x power 3. And then we add x power 0, 3 over x power 4. And don't forget, the index add up must give me 4, okay? Because the bracket is power 4, this 4 here. So now what I do, I'm just gonna write out the Pascal triangle and fill up the coefficients, okay? Remember that. So now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now, we use the last row because it's power 4, so therefore we use this 4 here. So therefore this is the row we're using. So we just fill up the coefficients. So first term is 1, so I can ignore that. 4 is second term. 6 is the next term, followed by 4 and 1. So I can just ignore that. Now what I do, I just simplify this. Now to simplify this, so that will give me, so this term become 1 because it's power 0, so give me 1. So let me just write this down. X power 4, and the second term, we add, so 3 power 1 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. So 12, and we have x power 3 divided by x, so x squared. And then we add 3 squared, give me 9. And 9 times 6 is 54. So 54. And x squared, we divide by this x squared, it give me 1. So therefore, it's 54 times 1 is 54. And 3 power 3 is 27. So 27 times 4. So we double 27 is 54. We double again 108. So we add 108, and this becomes x power 3. So x divided by x power 3 give me x squared. But we over x squared, and then we add, so x power 0, that give me 1. So therefore 3 power 4 is 81 x power 4. So there you go. So constant term is the term that independent of x, if you like. So this is the constant term. So therefore, so there you go. I hope you got it correct, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.